What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? We are live. We're back. It's another day. It's Wednesday, baby. We're getting so close to Christmas time. Got a little haircut cleaned up on the side. Party on the top, business on the side. Party on the top, business on the side. Something like that. All right, we got FOMC today. We got lots of action here. Overnight, the market pushing. I actually saw it selling. About a 100-point drop there on the overnight session when it opened, and then just bounced right back up. Anybody buy the dip? It's funny too because we bounced off this line that I talked about yesterday. You know, we talked about this yesterday actually, so it's kind of funny. So, questions. What's good? What's good? I have started a little early today because again today I want to ask selling rips. What are these reviews online? I'm confused. If he was arrested for lawfare, why are there all of these reviews about his business being a big scam? That's what it says. Allegedly, all of these reviews on his website are not good reviews. So I just wonder. I really do just wonder what it matters. So I don't know. I'm confused. I am confused. All right, so before the market opens up, let's check this out. All right, so obviously we know that Rip's old name is Alex Podersky. He changed his name, and now he goes as just Alexander James or James Alexander. If you find this website right here, there's a website called Ripoff Report. So Rip spent a lot of time making sure that all of the internet was scrubbed from his previous life, or whatever you want to call it, before the name change. So it shows right here that he was the owner of the company. Allegedly, I guess he was the owner of this company. Again, this is all just kind of what we're reading, finding out the story as we tell the story here. And so NVA Lift is Alexander Podersky, right? Alexander Podersky, NVA Lift. What is this? All right, people down here said that this company has set up an internet-based sales and health beauty aid products. The intention is to dupe and defraud customers by creating confusing upfront benefit and a return to the product that is also confusing and fraudulently based. This company does not intend This company does not intend to sell a good product. Their intention is to see how they can defraud the public. So this is what someone left on this website here, the Ripoff Report. Now, if we go and we find more reviews on NVA Lift, which allegedly Rips owned it, I guess. Allegedly, I don't know. It's what the internet says. If you look at these reviews, they're just not very good reviews, you know. I mean, this is all just what we found so far. And this is after James Alexander scrubbed the internet. So right here it says, Linda, Ripoff, offers free trial, but if you don't reject it within 14 days, they charge you $85, no refund, even if you did not receive or open the product. If you go on the Better Business Bureau site, there's 60 plus complaints. Don't be fooled. Worst business customer service I've ever encountered. I mean, these are not good reviews. Says here, these people should be in jail. This again, you know, this I'm not making this stuff up. These are reviews that people left on Rip's, you know, alleged company, I guess. If you want to, I don't know if he owned it or not, but when you go here, I mean, he's named as the owner multiple times, multiple places. Buyer beware, product scam, ordered one-time trial, took out $180, and says so infuriating, charges your card with no warning, scam. The Mary Inn wrote, "Fuck you are a scammer and your company is posted all over Facebook. You're fake, sneaky rip-off business. Why don't you try ripping off your own families instead? Hey, maybe you can scam your friends as well." Another review here. "This company is a scam. They say they're going to give you samples to evaluate the cost of shipping, but then they charge you for a month's supply 14 days after. Blah, blah, blah." So, I don't know. Did he pick his YouTube name based on the reviews on his old business, or how does that work? So, I don't know. This is basically all of these reviews on Rip's old business called NVA Lift, which was basically selling creams and stuff. There's this blog right here that talks about it as well. Woman's Blog Talk. It says, deceptive marketing campaign to promote their products and mislead consumers into thinking that they actually recommend these creams. Talk about NVA Lift, Puravel. They have on the Better Business Bureau, the score for the company was F, which is that good? If you get an F on the Better Business Bureau, does that mean you're a good business or a bad business? I'm confused. Which one is it? So yeah, interesting. Still, just no clarity. Rips claims that he was it was lawfare was the reason that he got taken out. So I'm confused. Was it the lawfare that people wrote all these reviews? I don't know. I'm confused. The reviews don't lie. I mean, hey, maybe they lie. I don't know. Maybe these are it was the government, Maybe the government went and wrote all these reviews. The USA government wrote all of these reviews against Rips' old company. I don't know exactly. I don't know how that exactly works. So I don't know. So that was the more that we dig into it, the more we find. It just keeps getting better and better. The story of Alexander James Podolsky. So I don't know. He's got no comment, I guess. No comment. The other day he was so boisterous and talking about how he was a victim of lawfare and that he was the same level as Trump, but it doesn't seem like he was the same level as Trump. So I don't know. All right, looking at the NASDAQ now. More fun, always more fun. So right now the NASDAQ got a pivot point there, 22,328. 22,328 now, pulling back here. So it's time to party, my friends. If you haven't already hit that like button, go ahead and blow it up. I would love to hear the story from Rips. I would love to hear the story of why there are so many complaints about his business on the internet. I'm confused. I don't know exactly what that means, but it does seem a little suspect. Just a little suspect. Just a little suspect. I mean, it's not that I'm making this up. He was listed as the president, the secretary, the treasurer, and the director of that company. And all the reviews are very clear. First of all, the product stinks. Literally just watered down cold cream. Shame on you, NVA Lift. Oh, man. No, man. Shame. 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 NASDAQ pulling back here. We got the VWAP coming up, 328. Got a pivot point down there at this level as well. Look at that. Look at the VWAP. The VWAP is like literally a perfect straight up line. It's kind of funny looking. It's kind of funny something. The funny part is, you know, Rips is listening to my live stream right now as well. He knows that we're talking about him, but he's got nothing to say. I guess you can only be the victim so many times. You know? You can only be the victim so many times. All right. Pulling back here into the VWAP. He's talking about me right now on the stream. He's talking. Now he's gonna get me. Hey Rips, I know you're listening to my stream. What are all these complaints? Why don't you talk about the complaints, Rips? Why don't you talk about the complaints, Rips? Uh-oh. 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 I got the mullet, baby. I'm ready for war, baby. Why did Rips is sitting over there still talking about how I go long and short in 2 different accounts and make money? How did he? It makes so much sense. How does it work? All right, NASDAQ bouncing off that pivot point for there. We got FOMC today. Ba-da-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. All right, so we got big news here as well. Big news. Right now, my Apex accounts, we got 53 days. So we need 3 more days to basically just roll here. And then we'll be at the 56 mark. And then we've got these accounts down here that are up 14 days. So again, it's, like I said, it's actually impossible to trade 2 different accounts and try to like do what Rips is saying. So I don't know what he's talking about. It doesn't make any sense. So what is, you know, what is going on with my results here? How many Apex accounts do you have? I have 20 accounts. So that's all I got to show right here. NASDAQ right now pulling back here into this gap where we closed at yesterday as well. Yesterday kind of popping up, dropping, kind of selling off here, but is that a big old bull flag? Why are you on so early? I got on early because I wanted to ask Rips why all these reviews talk so badly about his previous company. Why is it because the lawfare? Did Donald Trump write these reviews? Did Donald Trump write bad reviews on the internet? Rip off. These people should be in jail. Crooks. The product broke out my face. Buyer beware. Ordered one time. Took 179. So infuriating. Charges with no warning. Scam. This person wrote, fuck you. Are a scam and your company is posted all over Facebook regarding your sneaky rip-off business. So, he won't answer the question. I know he's listening, but he won't answer. Why? What are these reviews? What are they for? Is it because lawfare? Did Donald Trump write these reviews? Did Donald Trump write those reviews? Oh, man. NASDAQ just kind of dumping down here right now for market open. 22,300. It's pouring down rain here in Florida right now, so. PW, did you take a payout along the way over the 50K profits? Yes. I've already taken $10,000 in payouts. So, you hear the lightning? It's pouring down. It's like a full-on fucking hurricane in Florida right now. Where I'm at least. But yes, you can see, like, these accounts, I'm up 52,000, 53,000. I've already taken 5 payouts for $2,000 each. So, I've already taken $10,000 out of each of these accounts. So, I'm actually up, P&L wise, I'm up over $62,000. Have I heard about Profit Trade? I heard about Profit Trade. I never even checked them out. But interesting. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like. At what profit did you take your first payout? After 10 days of trading was my first payout. You can see my payouts here as well. Right there, the 5, payout number 5. Took one payout, took out 4. That was payout 4. Payout 3. Payout 2. And then payout 1. So starting in October 15th was the first $2,000 payout. Then we had another payout. November 1st, November 14th had a payout. November 21st had a payout. November 27th had a payout. December 10th had a payout. And now we are ready for our kind of like next payout here in the next few days. So how did I do it? Honestly, just did a lot of just focusing on taking good trades, getting one or two good trades in, and then being done. You know, that was kind of my my overall plan. Just all I needed was $1,000 a day, $1,000 a day for 50 days, That's 50K. 50K right there, baby. Actually, do you believe in law of attraction? You think like that? I don't know about law of attraction, but I believe probably more in the sense of like you make your own bed, right? So if you wake up in the morning and your bed's messy, then you got a messy bed. Kind of like you know, you're responsible for your kind of outcome at the end of the day. What happened to the big profit you made the day of the trade of 8 technical issues? It's in there. It was $5,000 that day. Why did you have to wait 50 days? Because that's you can take a payout every 8 days with Apex, and then once you get to 6 payouts, you can request all of the money. So I got a haircut. Yes. Thanks for asking. If you're just now tuning in, again, today we're asking the hard questions here. I found this article about our friend, Alexander Podersky, on ripoffreport.com. He did a pretty good job of scrubbing the internet from his past, but not the best job, because there's still all of these reviews talking about his last company being a big scam. Allegedly. Obviously, I don't know, you know, I mean, not one good review on here. You know, you get all of these reviews on your company and not one good review. Just seems a little interesting. Out of all of these people, they all were part of the lawfare. The government made fake accounts and they left bad reviews. Just like they did with Trump. I can't believe it. So why wait? Why not take out $10,000 every 8 days? With Apex, you can request $2,000 per account. Right? You can request $2,000 per account every 8 days. Once you get over 6 days, you can take the full amount. So they deny you, will you sue? I'm not that worried about it, to be honest. Edward, I'm not sure if I'm banned or not. Not sure if PW can see my chats. I cannot see your chats, Edward. Little bit of a bear flag on here on the 2-minute chart. Fucking, it is pouring down rain here in Florida right now. If my internet goes out, that's why. Nutty Bar loves you. I know he does. How much taxes will you pay for the 500? Fucking 30% probably. 30% of 500, so like 100 and 200,000 probably. Rips was bragging that he shows his trades and you don't. What do you think about that? What do I think about it? I think that I want an answer about what these reviews are for. Rips had a skincare company called NVA Lift where he was selling skin cream, you know, because he's so moisturized. He's a very moisturized person. But when you look up the reviews on the website, they are not good. They are not good at all. I mean, they're like really, really bad. Very, very bad. They're very bad. Very, very bad. Why are they not in jail? Why does a credit card company not reverse the charges unless they are part of the scam? Oh, Lord. The reviews are not good. So, I don't know. Rips wants to call me a scam, but there's not a whole fucking website of people commenting, leaving comments about my business being terrible. I don't know. I don't know. Josh, did you say 150,000 in taxes is crazy? LOL. I think I paid like a little over 450,000 in taxes last year. So this upcoming year, I'll probably pay close to $1 million in taxes. Now Rips is deleting comments in his chat about the reviews. I wonder why. Why does he not want to address these reviews? If he's the victim, he should easily be able to address all of these bad reviews on his company. Right? If you're the victim, I feel like it would be very simple to just answer Patrick Wieland, you know, and be like, hey, the reason that I have all of these scams, you know, is because, because of the lawfare. The government lawfared me. It's the lawfare attack. NASDAQ's breaking down through that bear flag. Down there are the 285s now. Good Lord, how low can we go? Big hour. Look at that hourly candle. Fucking reversal. Oof. We got FOMC today, so let's see what happens. FOMC today. PW, is the code for Apex not working? I think they just finished the 80% off sale, so it might not be 80% anymore. I think they... Yeah, I think it's like 50% now for the sale. The moment that somebody mentions NVA Lift, it gets deleted. I wonder, why does Rips not want to talk about his old business? If Rips is so innocent, why does he not want to talk about this business? Why is that? I'm confused. I just can't understand. Why would somebody, if you're the biggest, baddest, person on the internet, why would you not want to talk about the business that you had? You were the president, the secretary, the treasurer, and the director of this business, but you don't want to talk about the reviews? When people call you crooks? Oh, why is that? I'm confused. I don't understand. Oh. Even the woman's blog told people to beware. There's a woman's blog, literally a fucking woman's blog that said buyer beware of buying NVA Lift. So weird. Why is that? I'm confused. Even the woman's blog didn't like him. I don't know. Something doesn't make sense. This is my favorite comment out of all of them. Someone said, fuck you are a scam and your company has posted all over Facebook regarding the fake sneaky rip-off business. Why don't you try ripping off your own families instead? You think that Rips, when he created his name, he was like, I'm going to create my name as it'll be Rips. Like subliminally, he's thinking to himself, he's like, I'm a rip-off, so I will create my name being Rips. Interesting. Casper's selling powder and Rips has got skin powder. It was skin cream, okay? Anti-aging skin cream that Rips was selling, all right? Very different. PW, you need to grow up. You have an emotional IQ of a child. See, that's what I love. When people say that why am I a bad person? Rips is clearly lying, but I'm the bad person because I'm pointing out that there are literally all of these reviews about his old business. You know, I mean, it's NVA Lift. It's no longer there, obviously, but the reviews are still on Site Jabber. I'm a terrible person. Sorry. It takes you 5 minutes, Lewis, to make skin cream? Bro, you're working too long. You gotta make that you gotta get that going a little faster. You know? Got to work on that, Lewis. You got to work on that, Lewis. Win 500,000 on Friday. Don't throw stones at people when your house is made of glass. Well, luckily my house is made of fucking bulletproof glass because I don't have anything to hide. I didn't change my name in sealed documents, okay? I've told you guys, I got arrested 2 times. 1 time for stealing my own truck, and the other time, a road rage. Two great charges. Oh, I think today my Aventador will be here. I think the Aventador's coming today. So tomorrow we might do a little Aventador. We might do a little Aventador reveal live on the stream. I'm gonna turn that bitch on and wing, 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 wing. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. V12. Wee! Wee! Tom Brooks, I'm a former heroin addict who did 10 years in prison. I certainly made my share of mistakes. Hey, Tom, nothing wrong with that, my friend. Everybody fucks up. I am not against people changing, right? I'm not against it. You know what I mean? Like, I am not against people doing better. But what I'm against is when people try to act like they're the victim. Right? Rips tells everybody that he's the victim of lawfare. That the reason that he got arrested was because of lawfare. Like Trump. You know, he's as big as Trump. Right? Oh, he's as big as Trump. But then when you go and actually do some research, you find out that there's all of these people that were complaining to the Better Business Bureau. All of these people claiming fraud. All of these people saying scam. All of these people. Are these people also lawfare? Do they work for the government? Did the government write all those reviews? I don't think so. What do I think about the market today? I think it's FOMC day. Anything could happen. Just having to wait and see. What time is FOMC? I think it's what, 2 o'clock, right? Yeah, 2 o'clock. And then the press conference at 2:30. So 2 o'clock, rate decision, and then press conference at 2:30. Can you tell us an advice about risk management and how much you risk at each trade? I mean, you got to pretty much ask yourself, if you're trading, you know, how much are you willing to lose? Or also, how much do you normally make, right? Like if you have 10 good trades, what's your normal profit on those 10 trades? $5, $100, $2, you know? And then figure out, okay, if I make $100 on average, then I don't want to lose more than $50 per trade. You know? That's that's where the math comes in. It's the math of basically saying, hey, if I, on a good day, like if my best day ever is $500 profit, well, then I shouldn't be fucking ever losing more than 500. Like I should be, my maximum loss should be like 250. And I know it's hard because like, you know, it's easy to lose $250, but that's why you can trade micros, you can size down, wait for the perfect setups. What is the risk management that I use to pass the Apex evaluation? To be honest, I just go all in on a bull flag or a bear flag, and I just hope and pray. Pretty much. Shrimp said, people need to understand not to focus on making money, focus on protecting what you have. That is a great way to look at it. At the end of the day, every dollar that you lose is $1 that you ain't got. So sometimes just not taking a trade or getting out early, cutting off a loser, I mean, that's putting more money in your pocket. So if you enter a trade and instead of losing $1,000, you only lose $500, that's $500 that you still have in your pocket, right? So you're like, that's still winning. So at the end of the day, cutting off a loser does not mean you're losing. It just means that you're not going to lose any more money. Too many people get caught up in this idea of like, oh my God, I'm in a trade right now and it's red. I got to wait for it to go back to green. And they keep holding and they keep holding. They start averaging down. They make their, you know, loss bigger and bigger. So, you know, that's the big problem here. You got to cut them off. When you try to find pivot points, is it based off support and resistance? No, it's just based off of the indicator that I use. I just use pivot points standard. It puts it right on the chart. No calculating needed. Right now, NASDAQ just continuing down. We had this little bear flag right above that 300 level. Now down there to the 273s. I was like, oh, I want to take it, but don't want to wait for the market to open here. Market opening up here in a little bit. We got what, 20 minutes till market open. Pivot point down here at the 229s. Are you shadow banned? Your live isn't coming up on my live tab. Oh fuck. I hope not. I'm a victim, everybody, okay? I'm a victim. All right, I am a victim of YouTube. I'm a victim. I'm a victim, all right? It's the lawfare. If you guys, who wants $100? First person to put their PayPal gets $100. Let's see who's on it right now. Oh, somebody's on it. Ged 92. Congratulations, you were first. Look at Casey Sand trying to get it twice, trying to get him again. Come on, Casey, share the wealth, man. Share the wealth. All right. How much money should we send to Ged? How much? 100, 200, or $300? Chat picks. 200, 100, or 300? No, it's 300 is the option. Fuck you guys all said 300. God damn it. He's in Britain too. He's gonna get the pound. We're gonna get pound. We got my boy George Davies. Winner. No retardness. You think I'm gonna get banned from PayPal for using the R word? Congratulations to George Davies, $300. Thank the chat. Thank the chat for hooking you up with that. Ooh, Georgie, Georgie, Georgie. Tom, hey Patrick, I lost 4 accounts with profit trading funding because they went out of business. Can you pay me a few Apex accounts? No, I can't. Angel Q, hey, do you see my entry? I see it. Patrick, has a YouTuber follower ever flown you out somewhere to fish, ski, and golf? No, they haven't. That sounds like possibly someone's gonna murder me. Dear Patrick, my name is Dustin, and I would love to fly you out to fish, golf, and ski in the mountains with me. Don't worry, it'll just be me and you. And we can be together forever. Me and you together forever and ever. Dustin has a Ukrainian girlfriend. Ooh, post a picture or it's not real. Post a picture or we don't believe you. Yes, right now, guys, the code Apex is no longer 80% off. I gotta change that. Hold on, everybody. Freaking out. I don't know why the chat gets so relax. Relax. The sale is over. The sale is over. $2 p.m. FOMC, interest rate decision, and then the press conference at 2:30 today. So anything is possible. We had this overnight move, popped up there, pushed to that 380er. It got stuck. Right now, pulled back 275. We got a pivot point down there at the 230s. Can you explain to us how the pivot point works? Google is your friend, honestly, because it's just easier to Google that. It's just math. Math, man. Just math. Math. It's just math. Show us the Rip's face again. Well, I don't need to show him the face, but if you're just now tuning in, more information coming out about Alex Brzezinski, one of his businesses, NVA Lift, anti-aging cream that he was selling at one point. The reviews on this cream are not good. These are all the reviews that were deleted, obviously, but now we found a website that still has them on there. Oh, man. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Not one good review about this company. So weird. Rip, and it's funny because it says rip off a lot. Was this like foreshadowing? You know, back in 2014, was this like foreshadowing? Did people, you know, see what was coming? Rips was like, I'm gonna use my... I'm gonna use the name that people talk about me with, and then I'll use it for my YouTube. I'm still waiting for Rips to send the $5 million to crush me any day now. Any day now. Cannot wait. All right, we got 13 minutes here till market open. 13 minutes. It's a good day to have a good day. It's a good day to have a good day. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, blow it up. I found the funniest fucking video I have ever, maybe not ever, but I found the fucking, somebody made a video that is absolutely hilarious. And I gotta show you guys.
You ever feel like the financial world is just missing a bit of drama? Like, sure, the market's unpredictable, but where's the reality TV energy? Well, don't worry, because two YouTubers, Rips and Patrick Wieland, have decided to fill that void with the kind of feud that has everything. Flashy cars, name changes, and legal allegations that would make the Real Housewives producers drool. Let's start with Rips. Picture this. It's 2017. Rips, then known as Alexander Podgorski, is living the dream. He's a top affiliate marketer, pulling in millions, driving Lamborghinis, and living so large, it makes Kim Kardashian's life look relatable. But then, plot twist, he gets arrested. The charges? Oh, nothing major. Just a little light money laundering, conspiracy to advertise falsely, and accessing computers without authorization. You know, the kind of stuff that makes the FBI go, yeah, we're going to need you to come with us.
But according to Rips, it's all a big misunderstanding. He says his success made him a target for jealous investigators. They saw his flashy lifestyle and thought, this guy must be up to something shady. And Rips insists that all charges were dropped and all the investigators were fired or demoted. He calls it lawfare, which, by the way, is the same excuse Trump uses for, like, everything. And then there's the name change. Yep, in 2020, Rips decided to rebrand himself. He says it's no big deal, just a personal decision, like when Duncan dropped the donuts. Definitely not because he fled to Puerto Rico for tropical smoothies and to check out those extradition laws.
But here's where things get fun. Enter Patrick Wieland, another YouTuber who's like, hold my beer, I've got some questions. Patrick digs up Rips's past, shares it online, and turns this whole thing into an Andy Cohen reunion special. Rips? He's not happy. He calls Patrick jealous, broke, bald, and, wait for it, a buyer of used luxury cars. I know. How does one recover from such a burn? He even threatens to sue Patrick for defamation, bragging that he has more money than Patrick could dream of.
Meanwhile, Patrick has turned this feud into a comedy roast. He casually admits to his own past arrests, including one for stealing his own truck from a tow yard and one for a road rage incident.
Can't help
he mocks Rips's outrage, and when Rips brags about his millions, Patrick hits back with, sorry I couldn't afford a brand new Lamborghini. I guess I'll just sit here with my poor person Aventador. And the real kicker? Patrick's like, okay, Rips, you're innocent? Cool. Show us the court records. You've got trading expertise? Great. Show us your credentials. If you're going to claim to be targeted like Todd and Julie Chrisley, at least let Nanny Faye do the talking. She's the only one we still trust. So here's the big question. Who's telling the truth? Honestly, it doesn't even matter. Because at this point, the feud is more entertaining than anything on reality TV. Like, I'm not even trading anymore.
I didn't make this.
I'm just watching this drama unfold.
I didn't make this, honestly.
But hey, if this keeps going, I have a pitch for Bravo. The real prop traders of YouTube, coming soon.
Patrick Wieland was on the trading ride of his life this Monday, going short on all his grouped Apex.
It's like a whole like news channel about like the futures world. I didn't make it. It's called Futures for Our Future. It's fucking hilarious.
He's panicking because he can't close out his trades. Every desperate attempt to click, tap, or reset
talks about all the stuff going on in the trading world. It's pretty funny. All right. Here we go. We got 9 minutes. If anybody wants to watch that video, it's fucking... I swear to God, I didn't make this video. I really didn't. They've had that YouTube channel has been around for a while. I just found it because someone sent it to me last night. But that YouTube has been posting videos on YouTube now for like for a year. You can see like literally a year ago, this channel was posting videos. So it's not me. Interesting either way. Oh, I know. It just keeps going on and on about me, to be honest. It's not like they really are big fans. They really are big fans, man. We got Nutty. I saw the Nutty Bar. This is pretty funny, actually. Nutty Bar's little face. He looks actually just like Nutty Bar. All right, NASDAQ pushing back up here. Let's see what happens. JC Futures, can you help me out with that iPhone for your son? I can't. Sorry, I can't just buy your son an iPhone. No offense, my friend. Are you and Nutty Bar going to do a collaboration? Maybe. I mean, I'm totally fine. Whoever wants to come and trade, you know. Whoever wants to come trade in the office, see what happens. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, let's blow it up. It's Wednesday. We got lots of giveaways to go, to go. What about your trading room? Yeah, it's coming, baby. It's coming. We're going. If you're just now tuning in and you missed out before the market open here, again today we found more information about our good friend Alex Podersky here. If you go to this website, Ripoff Report, there's a story about his business called NVA Lift, right? So Alexander Podersky, known as our friend Rips, name change, whatever you want to call it. You can see here, he was listed as the president, the secretary, the treasurer, and the director. All right, so then if you go to this website and you look at these reviews, obviously they deleted all these reviews from every other website out there, but this website right here, SiteJabber, still has all of these reviews on there. And well, the reviews are not good. All of these reviews are absolutely just, no, they're bad. This one, I like this one. The product broke out my face and the company did not respond to my phone calls. Bad business ripoff. Or this one as well. So infuriating. These people scam honest, hardworking people and then have the audacity to be rude when you finally find their number you're supposed to call to cancel after the free trial. They send you the product with no info or contact info. That is sketchy in itself. Reported to the Better Business Bureau. You are a scam. Your company has posted all over Facebook regarding your fakey, sneaky rip-off business. Why don't you try ripping off your own families instead? Well, now he gets to rip off people on YouTube. It's great. Patrick, can you show reviews of my course? Yes. I can. I'll show you all the good reviews. How do I even get into that? Where the fuck? How do I get to the reviews? All right. If we go to my course's website, the 2-hour trading day, there are 59 reviews with a 5-star rating. If you go to the C reviews here, every single review. This is all you need to start trading. Great course, very in-depth, excellent course. The premise is simple, worth way more than 200. Everything you need to know about trading. Great course. After 10 courses, this was the best. The 199 PW course, amazing course. Fucking love it. Worth more than 200. The price for the incredible content is insane. So yeah, I mean, when we compare the reviews, it does seem like, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What does the disapprove button do? I guess you can disapprove. I've never even went into that part of the website, to be honest. But yes, I deleted all of the bad reviews. I got them. Justin, I got some spare screens I could donate to the new trading floor. I mean, no offense. I'm trying to get, I try to get that new. Trying to get that. I just ordered fucking 10 new TV monitors for the video walls and stuff. We got points. Why does the bot has points? Why is it saying points? How did you guys figure that out? The point thing on the Streamlabs. How'd y'all figure that out? I never even knew about that. All right, another little bear flag kind of playing out here right now. NASDAQ pushed up there towards that 21 EMA, got stuck, pulled back 277 there. We are a minute away from market opens. All right, don't spam the chat, you fuckers. God damn it. What do you like about living in Miami? Well, I don't live in Miami, so I don't like anything about living in Miami. All right, we're turning that off. You fucking people. We're gonna go ahead and turn that off. Let me go see how I can turn that off real quick. The fuck? Can't even figure out how to turn it off. God damn it. You guys are idiots. Everybody in the chat that's spamming the points, you're an idiot. God. I turned it off, so stop. All right, market open. All right. NASDAQ push back up there to the 21 EMA right away. Straight up here so far since market open. We are below the gap here. The gap was yesterday's close at the 314s. We got the VWAP there, that yellow line as well. Nice little push up there just to get denied right back down, taking out that low. Oh, Lord, look at it. She's a dumper. Straight down, pivot point down there, 230. Will we get all the way down there to that 230 area? The $1 million question. Still going. Still going. Good Lord. Could have probably held on to that short a little longer. Could have held on to that short a little longer, I'd say, huh? Took a little short right there for this break below the low, just to lock in my $50. Not even that I need to make 50 bucks, but you can see made 96 bucks there in 11 accounts and then 61. So right now we are 2 days away from requesting a $500,000 payout, my friends. This pivot point coming up 230 area. I just want to get that payout, man. That's all I want. You know? I just wanna get that $500,000 payout. Does my course talk about Bookmap? Not really. Bookmap is not something that I would suggest for beginners. You know, honestly, like, I think for a beginner, Bookmap is just it's noise that you don't need. If you don't really know what you're looking at, it doesn't really help you. It's just gonna hurt you. My tip for beginner traders is to keep it as simple as possible. You don't need to go crazy. You know, keep it simple. You got to remember, most of the YouTubers that promote Bookmap is because they're getting paid by Bookmap, you know. So, and I'll be honest, like I've gotten paid by Bookmap, but there's a reason that I don't really promote them anymore, because I don't think it's good for new traders. And it's not that I don't think Bookmap is like valuable information. I just think that a lot of people don't know how to read it the right way. All right, that pivot point, look at it, 229, 230 area. Look at that little fucking bear flag playing out there again. Another little bear flag, doop, right through there. Down there to the 230s now. Solid trades, including you. What does that mean? Let's see, I think Victoria just sent me a photo of her trade this morning. Let's see what she did. Oh, good Lord, what is this? She made 500 bucks. How does she make 500 bucks? Oh, she shorted. Victoria shorted at the open. Fucking A, woman. How many contracts did you fucking go with? My girlfriend's over there slinging fucking contracts, baby. How'd you go? You didn't have 2 contracts, as I see. Literally 1, 2, 3 entries. How many times did you short it? Still going. I think Victoria is trading the minis. NASDAQ still going lower. Oh, buddy. We took out the low from yesterday, so that, or overnight actually, the overnight low there, 220 area, or 212 area, took that out. Does she watch your stream? She does. Making sure I don't tell any stories about old girlfriends. Have you heard that profit trade got closed? I did hear about that. I never traded with them or really knew anything about them. By the way, tomorrow I got this brand new HP laptop that we're giving away tomorrow. Make sure you're here. And then on Friday, we're giving away a full desktop computer. 2 monitors, 1 tower. You can buy the keyboard and the mouse, all right? So we still got some more PayPal money to give away, and then we'll give away 10 courses today as well. If you guys haven't already signed up, if you signed up yesterday for the giveaways, you already did it. You don't have to do it again. But if you just now were just tuning in, you can sign up there, and we'll do the giveaway. Do 10 course giveaways today. We'll pick 10 emails and then send you an email with the course login information. So it's Christmas time, baby. We're doing it big, doing it big, big, big. Doing it big, Junior. Big, Junior. All right, I expect some type of little pushback up from here. This is not a recommendation to get long, but if you're still short, might be a little worried here. The fact that we took out yesterday's low, or that kind of overnight low now, might mean that we push up here a little bit. Bazooka, not to brag, but I spent 2 years at S&B Capital Floor and been trading my own account since. Well, I guess that's kind of bragging. That's kind of like a brag, but I guess if you say that, like, not to brag. Hey everybody, I don't want to brag, but I do have a Lamborghini, okay? And I do have another Lambo on the way. So, not to brag, but just putting that out there, just so everybody knows. Oh, Lord. All right, we got to get more likes here on the stream. We got to get 1,000 likes if we want to give away. We'll give away another $1,000 for 1,000 likes. I'll pick 2 winners to give away $500 to. Who wants $500 for Christmas from Patrick Wieland? Let's go. Hey, look, NASDAQ's pushing back up here. Who would have guessed? Who would have guessed? Oh, yeah, also, if you bought the course, right, you should have got an email about the video review. So, just putting this out there, if you bought the course, we're giving away the opportunity to have a 30-minute one-on-one. Just ask me whatever question you want. Just me and you talking about trading, talking about life, talking about whatever you want for 30 minutes. So if you got the email about the video review and you want to submit that, right now there's 3 total video reviews. So the chance of winning is very high. All you got to do is just get a little video, review it, send it over. There's an email, only prop firms. Trump reiterates proposal for Canada as the 51st state. Hell yeah, baby. Canada. Look at that. Trump's got to make Canada. 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 Gonna be America. 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 All right, NASDAQ, little push back up. We got that 21 EMA coming up there at the 272s. We're going to take Canada out. Hell yeah. I already got me one Canadian. Yeah, Victoria's Canadian. I got me one of them. I already got me a Canadian. Why don't you wear earphones like the other guy? Because I think he's listening to my live stream while he wears his headphones, just so he can listen to what I talk about him. I mean, what else is he listening to? Softcore porn? All right, NASDAQ. 15-minute range. We got 3 minutes till this 15-minute range break, or until this candle's finished. So, being patient. It's FOMC day, guys. It is not the day to go cray-cray. Dr. Robert Underdunk Terwilling Jr. Holy shit. Is that your real name? Dr. Robert Underdunk Terwillinger Jr. wants to buy me lunch. That's a wild name. Dr. Robert Underdunkter Willingder Jr. All right, this 15-minute candle kind of looking a little doji right now. Which Lambo is that behind you? That is the Huracan STO Twin Turbo. Twin Turbo! Yeah, buddy. Don't worry, though. I bought it used. Whatever you do, don't buy a used car. It's a total waste of money. But what you should do is go and buy some NVA Lift, because that'll help you not look old anymore. Wait, you know what I was just thinking about? You know how Rips always makes fun of me for having leather skin? Now we know why. I always wonder why he was obsessed with my skin. We figured it out. I think I know why he's obsessed with my skin not being, as moisturized as his. Because he used to have a skincare company. So now we know. But the thing is, if you look up the reviews for this skincare company, the people did not like this skin cream. That was not good. Not good. Uh-oh. Every review says it's a scam. Oh my god. What is this? What does this mean? If every review of your company it says scam, does that mean that it is a scam, or does that mean it's not a scam? Is it lawfare? Is it what happened to Trump? Did the lawfare hit Trump? That's why. So the government wrote those reviews. Oh, I figured it out. Actually, the detectives, the police detectives, went on the website. They wrote the bad reviews, right? They wrote bad reviews on a website, and that's why. I get it now. Now I know. Now, guys, I figured it out. Now I know why. I know why I have so many haters. The reason I have so many haters is because the government is paying people to leave bad comments on my videos. Guys, this is I figured this shit out. I'm just happy to finally figure this shit out. Fucking roof's leaking right now. I'm live on YouTube at the goddamn house that I'm living in, and the roof is leaking. That's what happens when you pay $5,000 a month rent. People always talk shit about how I live in a shitty house, but I'm like, I'm renting it. Do I want to pay $30,000 a month rent, or would I rather pay $5,000 a month rent? $5,000 a month to live on the water, to have my boat and everything. I feel like that's a better, overall investment. But, why don't you buy a house? Because I need $1 million to put down, and I don't really have $1 million to put down. It's the truth. I have $1 million, but I don't have $1 million to put down on a house. So maybe next year I'll do it. Well, also think about it like this, right? If you're asking why don't I buy, it's very simple as well. So if I buy a house on the water where I live now, the house would cost $2 to $3 million. The mortgage is going to be $15,000 a month, right? So I literally pay $5,000 to rent. So I'm saving myself literally $10,000 a month on not having to pay for a mortgage. So it's kind of like a lot of people think that buying a house is like, oh, Patrick, just buy a house. You got to buy a house. But I'm like, also, I like to be smart with my money. So I'm like, well, if I can rent for only $5,000, that it just seems like a better deal right now. And also, if the house, Yeah, if there's any problems with the house, the AC stops working, the roof's leaking, not my problem. But you gain no equity. But see, that's the good thing. It's not I'm gaining equity in so many other ways. I'm cash positive, right? I make on average $300,000 to $500,000 a month cash. So it's not like I'm not hurting, right? So I can afford to pay rent and it doesn't matter. I don't need the equity of a house to make me rich because I have other ways to get rich. So a lot of people, they work a normal job and they make $200,000, $300,000 a year. They own a house. They pay the house mortgage. My rent is literally less than 1% of my total income per month. So I buy Bitcoin. I bought Solana. I buy in other investments, buy the overall market, the SPY. The equity that I'm building in my 401k, the equity that I'm building in my businesses, that's worth more than any house. I just put $200,000 into a warehouse to build out a new office. Like, I'm doubling down on Patrick Wieland. If the interest rates drop, house prices will rocket up. Maybe. But also, my business is rocketing up. So, it is what it is, you know. Did you buy XRP? I bought some XRP at 188 and I sold it above like I got out at like 270 or something. You know what's funny is I love when people talk shit about indicators, you know, EMAs, you know, all that kind of stuff. Isn't that funny? Like, but look at it right now. Like, is it a coincidence that the market is literally stuck right there, right below the 21 EMA? Is it a coincidence? You know, like, I don't know. The thing about me is, like, I might not live where I'm, you know, like, maybe one or two more, like, honestly, I probably won't live in South Florida for more than, like, another 5 years. Like, my goal is, I got that lease on the warehouse for 3 years. My goal is to just fucking hustle, right? Make as much money as I can make for the next 3 years. And then I'm fucking just gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna retire probably. I'm gonna hopefully retire. I'm launching 2 new businesses next year. We're launching a brand new workout studio, opening up a bunch of workout studios for Pilates. That's part of, like, Victoria's kind of doing all that. And then I also want to start a sunblock company, you know, because I'm a ginger. We got the new warehouse. There's a lot of shit going on. So I want to build up other businesses that are not a part of trading with the money that I make from trading, and then sell those businesses. Like, my goal would be to sell the Pilates studio, sell the lotion, sell the sunscreen company. You will never stop trading. It's not about stop trading. It's just about the fact of, like, at a certain point, I probably, you know, I'm going to stop being on YouTube, 100%. Sorry, Pat, it don't work like that. Once a hustler, always a hustler. I mean, I'm not saying I'm gonna, like, go retire and, like, be dead, but I don't want to be live every day at 9 a.m. Will your sunscreen be a natural product? Oh yeah. And guess what? You know the best part about my sunscreen? You ready for this? It's pretty good. The name. Are you ready for the name? Are you ready? Don't worry, I've already filed a trademark. I've already got the fucking URL, so don't try to copy me. But this name, I think it's genius. Are you ready? Dude Block. Dude Block. Dude Block. Dude Block. Is that not genius? Just Dude Block. Genius. 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 Also, the best part is we can do sunscreen, we can do deodorant and body wash. Dude Block sunscreen, Dude Block body wash, Dude Block deodorant. Block your armpits. You know, woo! Put on the body wash. Woo! Also, you know, I was thinking about making some condoms, you know, just for fun. Make some condoms that on the condoms it says Dude Block. Block your little dudes. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Dude Block. Block your little dudes. Wear a condom. But it'll be B-L-O-K, not B-L-C-K. So I want 4-letter words. So dude, and then B-L-O-K. Also, I've confirmed that I will be buying a simulator for the warehouse. I think I'm gonna get this one right here, but with the bigger monitors. $31,000 for a simulator, baby. We're gonna be racing that bitch. I'm gonna be like fucking. Look at, I'm gonna be like Verstappen. I'm gonna be like somebody up in there. I think that'd be sick. In the warehouse, that's gonna look fucking sick. Like, you gotta admit, like, in the warehouse, I'm gonna put it like, hey, if you're, you know, hey, every day to get on the fucking simulator, make some money. Doing it live on YouTube. $30,000. Make you holla. They got another one that's like a little bit more expensive. This one's $51,000. Oh, Lord. Look at that thing. That's gonna look sick. This guy does nothing but buy depreciating assets. See, Dave, this is what Dave doesn't understand, right? I make money doing what I do, right? When I buy a Lamborghini, I make money with that Lamborghini. When I spend money on a warehouse to live stream from, I make money. I make $500,000 a month as Patrick Wieland. It's an asset. It's all a business. I'm an entertainer. I've got to buy things that are depreciating assets to do my business, right? McDonald's has to buy fucking shit for their new restaurants. They have to buy TVs. They have to buy fucking computers. They have to buy a little fryer. Is the fryer a fucking, is it a depreciating asset? We got the 15-minute range breakout. You know what's funny? I don't want to brag. You know, I hate to be that guy who says I told you so. But well, when we were down here at the 230s, what did we talk about? What did we talk about? Does anybody remember? Talked about don't keep looking for the shorts. Talk about my Lambo. Damn it. That's all I talk about anymore. I got nothing to offer. No educational content anymore. It's just nothing but Lambos and talking about rips. I'm such a pathetic person. My favorite is the people that comment on Twitter and they're like, Patrick, you're such a loser because all you do is just talk about other people. I'm like, well, does that make you a loser for commenting? Does that make you a loser for commenting that I talk about you? So you're talking about me and then, oh God, I'm confused. Brooklyn 2 Fit made $500 on the phone. Need the laptop. Why you need a laptop? You made $500 on your phone. Fuck it. I don't even like ICT's done. He's cooked. He's fucking well done. There's nothing left to even talk about with ICT. He's fried. He's like the little fucking like burnt ends. He's burnt ends now. He's just gone. Fried. Nothing left to even talk about. The dude is done. Absolutely done. It's over. Even his followers are like, damn, you let us down, ICT, you let us down. Look at that. Now the VWAP, the indicators that don't work, everybody loves to be like, Patrick, these indicators do not work. Yeah, you're right. True that. Nava Trades, another combine passed. Your course was my catapult in trading. Fuck yeah. Pew! Catapulted, baby. Right to the tippity top of the tippity top. Tippity top. I know the AI said that Rips was better looking than me. But at least I'm taller. That's all that matters. Like I said yesterday, no matter what Rips does, even if he sues me and takes all of my money, takes my Lamborghinis, takes my girlfriend, takes my YouTube channel, takes everything. You know, even if he takes everything, he'll never be able to take the fact that I'm 1 inch taller than him. And that right there, my friends, that is the trump card. Because deep down, I know that no matter what, even if I lose everything, even if I have to pay Rips $10 million, at the end of the day, he's still shorter than me. And that's all that matters. How many hours is your course? I don't know. How many hours is it, guys? To be honest, I didn't really time it. Josephine said, my cat went out and got herself pregnant. She wanted to ask you if she can help you out. No. You got to keep your pussy in check. You got to keep your pussy on a leash, Josephine. Can't be letting your pussy just roam free. Oh, by the way, the course is 6.5 hours. Rips is the type of dude to get Botox and then credit to his skincare routine. Hey, like I said the other day, I'm totally fine, right? If my face looks like leather and I go bald, I'll shave my head. It's totally fine. I think it's, if anything, it's just proof that I've lived a long life. I'm 36 years old and I look like I'm 60. You know, what can I say? I've been around the world a few times. I've drank a few beers. I've had a few good times, you know what I mean? All right, little bull flag here at the VWAP. If we break out here, we're setting up for that 15-minute range. And then you've got this 314 area. You've got the pivot point to the upside there, 327. The high of this little candle right here. We're on the 1-minute chart right now, by the way. But looking at the 2-minute chart, take out the 303 level. And then try to push up there to try to push up there to that 314, that close. Yesterday's close there. Boo. All right, we got the winners. Here we go. NASDAQ trying to push here. Winners of the course coming up. I'm going to just call out the names and then you'll get an email with the information on how to get into the course. So if you're still here, get ready. Ken O.C. Ken O.S.I. Ken O.C. We got George Babayan. We got Julio Freeman. David Favela. Jose Perez. Adelita Diaz. Jonathan Jameson, Richard Nurdin, Orlando Lewis, and Justin Orwin, South African. Let's go. We're worldwide, baby. Internet, somebody said, Rips eats bananas the long way. Wait, is there another way to eat them? Is there another way to eat those bananas? I only thought there was one way to eat them. She's trying to go through here. Break out in the 15-minute range. God, I literally called the fucking bottom perfectly. Perfectly. Right now, I'm kind of just in this phase of just waiting for my $500,000 payout. I'm going to be just coasting. Like I said, the next few days, it's the end of the year. I'm up $500,000. No reason to do anything but just coast. Get my $50 a day, lock it in, no questions, no bullshit, and then get this $500,000 payout, you know? Birdzo, if I prove you that I can trade, is there a chance that you invite me to USA to be part of your team? I am from Bulgaria. I don't know. What do you think, chat? Should we bring in the Bulgarian trader? Bulgaria. Do you speak like you're Bulgarian? Are you a Bulgarian? Like, is it like, are you like a sick Bulgarian, or like, how does that work? Bulgaria, Bulgaria, we all play praise to Bulgaria. NASDAQ trying to get through the 15-minute. I think through the 15-minute range, we got to fill that gap, and then there's that pivot point right up there at the 328s. 328s up there. Bulgaria, 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 I might take a little long here in my eval account. I'm gonna take a long here in the eval account. Well, I gotta change that real quick. Change this long out here, just to mess around. It's an eval, like I said. I've already. Oh, there it goes. Breaking through that 300 level, looking for this breakout up there into that pivot point or so. Let's give it one more little second here. We want to get through the high, that 303. It's like right there. Let's just try it. We're trying it. Like I said, this is an eval. This is not a recommendation to buy. We are setting up for this 15-minute range breakout. I probably could have got in a little bit earlier down there off the 21 EMA, but let's see what happens. Will we get the breakout through the high? 15-minute breakout up there. What time is it? 10 o'clock now. Try to push up there, 315, 320 area from here. Like I said, this is an eval. I'm not trying to fucking blow up my funded account. Just playing around here. 5 contracts at the 299s. Everyone says I never show any trades. So here's a trade, everybody. Get ready. We're up $200 now. I can't lose. We're trying to break out 15-minute. We need to push. Nutty Bar made more money than you. Damn it. Did he really? How did he do that? How did Nutty Bar make more money than me? How dare him? I'm happy for him. Boop, 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 boop. All right, we broke out of the 15-minute range. Can we continue higher here now to try to get up there towards that 320 area? There's that pivot point there at the 328s. A little bit of trouble. This is why I did not take the trade in my live funded account, because of the possible chop around here. FOMC day. You know, it's 10 o'clock. We got 2 o'clock for the interest rate decision. We're holding up right there at the VWAP. You can see VWAP right now trying to support. Just got to get like the high of that 15-minute range candle. Like it's right here. We just got to get through this 303 level. And then I think we're right up into this 328. ES is pushing up. Joe Black is adding to his shorts. Uh-oh. That's never a good sign. That is never a good sign when someone says that they're adding to their shorts. Uh-oh. 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 No. Oh, it's back up. Market having trouble getting through that 305 area. Straight back down here now. The chop is real. FOMC chop day. You can see that setup. That would have, I mean, that on a good day, on a normal day, we should have just pushed right up into there, but Patrick, am I correct that once you qualify for a payout and you have to wait a week before you can request, it's okay to scale way back your trades? I don't know exactly what that means, to be honest. I don't know what that means exactly. What does that mean? I'm confused. Speak to me like I don't know anything. Blah, 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 blah. Might get stopped out here. Good thing we're trading the eval. Oh God, let's push it back up. Hold at the 21 EMA, baby. Come on, NASDAQ, just push it through there. Do it for me. One more time. Come on, NASDAQ. This is a 50K eval, yes. I didn't want to risk my real accounts. I wanted to make sure I get that $500,000 payout. If I end up losing money, yeah, it would be. It would not be good. Would not be good for anybody. I'd be very depressed. My Christmas would be very ruined. I'd have to I don't know what I would do. I wouldn't do anything that bad, but I might drink myself to sleep a few nights if I lost that $500,000 payout because I was being an idiot. I could definitely drink a few beers to think about that for sure. All right, our goal is to see if we can get a push up here to the 320s. We're long in an eval 299 area. We got the pivot point up there at the 28s. Come on, NASDAQ. I'm live on YouTube right now. I need your help. Make me look good. Make me look good, NASDAQ. Make me look good. Fuck. Right here. Boner candle. Come on. God. Ask the Magic 8 Ball. Okay. Magic 8 Ball. Will the market go to the 320s? Just says answer unclear. Ask later. Like what? Why is the answer unclear? Can anybody explain to me? Like how is the answer unclear? Magic 8 Ball. It's unclear. Magic 8 Ball. Will the market go to the 320s? Indications say yes. All right. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, boys. Oh, wow, just sitting there. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You got to rub it harder. That's what she said. Be real, how many trades were based off that 8 ball? Every day, baby. I'm like, okay, NASDAQ. Is the NASDAQ going to go up today? It says focus and ask again. Okay. ES is trying to bull flag. Right? ES is trying to bull flag. NASDAQ, this 5-minute candle. Just need this to like close up into here. Come on. We got 40 seconds. Let's close this candle above the wick here of this candle. All right, come on, bulls. It's your chance. Let's push right here. 30 seconds, boys. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Push it up there. Hit that little dotted line. Yesterday's close. Come on, 20 seconds. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. All right. We're long from the 99s. I told you it was going to go up. Now it's up. Oh, fuck. This is it right here. I want to see this 5. We need to just push. Boner candles. Boner candles. Boner candles. Give the NASDAQ some Viagra. Let's go fucking straight up, boys. Hit that pivot point up there. She got to do it right here, right now. Like, no lag. It just needs to go. Ugh. You ever feel like you just, whenever you enter a trade, the market just doesn't go anywhere? And then whenever you're not in a trade, it does go somewhere? Yeah, no, I feel like that a lot. It's like I enter the trade, the market doesn't move. I get out of the trade, the market moves. Fuck. Is it going to happen? Is it going to happen? 5-minute chart still looking good here. I'm fucking long. I am strong. I am rock hard, ready to party. I mean, I'm up. I'm up, baby. I'm definitely not rock. I'm jacked to the tits. I'm jacked to the fucking tits, boys. To the tits! To the tits! Wow. What a stupid market. What a stupid, stupid market. What a stupid market. QQQ, stuck at the pivot point. Fuck you, pivot point. Get out the way, ho. We don't want none of that. Do I take meth? No. Thanks for asking, though. NQ Addict, spamming the chat asking for money is not going to get you money. I'm just being honest. It's not, so. If the market can't see me, ow. If the market can't see me, then maybe the market can't stop me. You know, when you think about it, if the market can't see where my stop is, then it can't stop me. Yeah, buddy. Come on! What a joke! What a fucking joke! This is a scam. NASDAQ's a scam. It's all a scam. It's lawfare. I fucking hate the lawfare. Bunch of lawfare around here. We gotta get rid of this lawfare. God damn it. God damn it. The lawfare. Oh. Oh, fuck. That hurts my head. Oh, why? How is this possible right now? NASDAQ just holding up there at the fucking VWAP. Just get going. Another little bull flag setting up here. Can we take it? Let's go right here. Right here, NASDAQ, you little bitch. Come on. Do you have a mullet? Do I? What you talking about? What? Who's got a mullet? Who's got a mullet? What? Who's got a mullet? I ain't got no mullet. All right, all right. All right, all right. I've been in this trade way too long. I've been in this trade way too long. I want to get out of it. I want to lock it in, boys. Ooh, do you guys hear that? My neck cracking? Shit sounds crazy. Oh, you little bitch. PW, is 5 your normal size on the 50K account? Sometimes I do 10. Just depends on the price action. I did 5 for this trade because I thought it might chop around for a little bit. Oh my fucking baby Jesus. What a stupid trade. What a stupid trade right now. So right now we're just stuck below yesterday's close here. And again, back down to the pivot point, or to the VWAP there. 10 minis on a 50K is irresponsible. Correct. Don't do as I say, but do as I do. Or wait. Don't do as I do, but do as I say. Or, I don't know. Just don't do anything that I do. Come on. Yeah, the fact that we just got stuck there again, that's obviously not good for the bulls here. What a stupid little trade. What a stupid little trade here. What a stupid little trade here. FOMC chop. Like I said, this is an eval. I'm not trying to hide anything. I told you guys that I was just trying to make my 50 bucks a day in the funded accounts to get the payout. We are literally 2 more days away. On Friday, I can request a payout for $500,000. So I ain't trying to do anything stupid here today. What am I expecting from FOMC? I expect that they're going to cut rates. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got to go. We got 937 likes. We got to get over 1,000 likes here. No problem. If we lose 290s, it is not good for the bulls. We're stopped out there. Just chop city here for the last fucking 20 minutes. I will not be trading the FOMC later. That'll be my 6th payout for the 100%. I will not be streaming FOMC. I got better things to do. Honestly, probably the best thing to do is not trade FOMC. Just impale myself with an axe live on YouTube. Would that get likes? That would get some likes. Market just being dumb. Market is being dumb here. How does the 30% rule not hurt you when you're taking heat? I don't know what that means. Well, ain't that fucking comedy? Ain't that fucking... I told you the market makers... The market makers stopped me out just to go up. You know? Just to stop me out to go up. Damn it. Fucking market makers. When chopping around, look at the bigger time frame. Okay. Oh. Oh. Oh, bigger time frame. I should have held on. What was I thinking? What the fuck, Patrick? Why did you get out? You could have clearly have looked at the bigger time frame. I would still be long right now if I would have just held on to this. Look at the bull flag on the 6-month chart. Anybody get long here? Anybody get long at the 15,563s back there in July of 2023? Looks like a nice little bull flag breakout if I ever seen one. Oh yeah, sorry. Let's go to the hourly. Bigger time frame. Hourly chart. I mean, we're right. We hit that fucking pivot point on the hourly chart. Literally on the dot. Hit that hourly pivot point there. Look at the 30-minute. Okay. 30 minutes. Oh, pivot point. Oh, pivot point. Oh, pivot point. Now it's gonna go. Are you fucking kidding me? NASDAQ, why is NASDAQ so dumb sometimes? NASDAQ is literally so dumb. It's hilarious sometimes. Like, look at this. Look at this. It stopped me out right at 290. Oh, that was a good one. 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 He's got to laugh. No, I know. Trust me, I'm laughing. I might look like I'm crying. I might look like I'm crying, but you know, whenever I'm sad, you know what I like to do? I like to go on the internet and just read articles about my good friend Alexander Podursky. You know, it always brightens my day whenever I find great, interesting articles to read about Alexander Podursky. This is probably one of my favorite ones. Fuck you, are a scam, and your company is posted all over Facebook regarding your fake, sneaky rip-off business. Why don't you try ripping off your own families instead? Hey, maybe you can scam your friends. It just makes me it makes me smile every time. I read that and I'm like, all right, yeah, no, it's all right. Hey, it's good, it's all good. I'm like, oh yeah, that's kind of funny, you know, like you just gotta laugh. You know, like, yeah, that's funny. That's the funny shit. That's the funny shit, man, right there. Yeah, that's the funny shit. I like that one. Woo! All right. Well, the NASDAQ has decided that it does not want to go up. It just wants to go sideways here until FOMC. What a bitch. I can't help myself. Just can't help myself. I really think... Oh, here it goes. Now it's trying. If this thing don't break out, I will delete my YouTube channel right now. The same way that ICT will delete his YouTube channel if Bitcoin goes above $100,000. I will also delete my YouTube channel. Wait. Did Bitcoin go above $100,000? Uh-oh. ICT, it's time to delete. There was a guy in the chat earlier who said he was adding to his shorts on the ES. Are you still adding to your shorts on the ES? Like, how much are you willing to add to your shorts? Where'd that guy go? They always like talk a lot of shit and then they disappear afterwards. Are you still adding on shorts? You got Daisy Dukes? What kind of shorts you got on? What kind of shorts you wearing, dog? What kind of shorts you got? What kind of shorts you got, buddy? Oh man, this is a good one. So on this is my favorite video of the day also that I wanted to share with you guys. It's a good one. It's got a lot of comedy here. So this is our good friend.
And at the end of the day, like, the truth is on my side and I've got nothing to hide. Like, he can go ahead and blast us everywhere he wants, but I would be careful. I'd be careful. I'd be very, very careful. And at the end of the day, like, the truth is on my side and I've got nothing to hide. Like, he can go ahead and blast us everywhere he wants, but I would be careful. I'd be careful. I'd be very, very careful. And at the end of the day, like, the truth is on my side and I've got nothing to hide. Like, he can go ahead and blast us everywhere he wants, but I would be careful. I'd be careful. I'd be very, very careful. And that,
you know, it's really the nervous laughing that really gets me. You know, that's what really puts a smile on my face, because it's like, he is so full of shit that even he's laughing at himself. You know, even he's, I'd be very careful. I'd be very careful. I have nothing to hide. I have nothing to I am a victim. I have nothing to hide.
the truth is on my side and I've got nothing to hide. Like, he can go ahead and blast us everywhere he wants, but I would be careful. I'd be careful. I'd be very, very careful. And at the end of the day, like,
I'd be very, very careful. What is he gonna murder me, you think? Is that what he's saying? Like, be very careful. Whatever you do, Patrick, do not Google my name any more than you already have. Just don't do it. Don't do it. I'm telling you, be very careful. Because if you Google my name, you're gonna find even more stuff. Patrick, please, whatever you do, be careful. Do not put my name in Google. Whatever you do not put my name in Google. Because if you do, you're going to find stuff, and I want you to be careful. Be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Whatever you do, be careful. Just make sure you're very careful. All right, let's do the giveaway here. I just like when people tell me to be careful. Like, what am I being careful for? Is that a threat? Are you threatening my life? Are you going to murder me? What am I afraid of? What am I being careful of? Of you suing me for defamation? For reading reviews on the internet? You have nothing to hide, but you have a whole website of reviews that say that you're a scam? I don't know. I don't know, man. It seems a little sketchy. And then right now I got this guy on Twitter defending ICT. Like, why is it always the fucking dweebs that defend ICT? Like, look at this guy. You got a little fucking mustache. Like, what do you do with that mustache? That saves the cum on your face? Like, what? Like, what? That is a weird little mustache. Like, what do you do with that? You shave it and like make it all like perfect? Like, how does that work? Like, I don't understand. Like, why do you have that mustache? Also, the door behind you, bro, like that's a poor people door. Only poor people have doors with panels in them. Rich people have flat doors. God, look at that hat. The shirt. Classic. Classic ICT follower. Just classic. Just classically pre-pubescent. Balls haven't dropped. Still trying to grow his little mustache. Poor little guy. Marshall's is his favorite store. What are you talking about? He bought those shirts at Ross. Ross is much, much better. I don't even buy shirts. That's how poor I am. I just make my own shirts and then put stuff on them. If you don't know what this is from the first time Rips ever messaged me on Instagram. He said he responded to one of my workout videos and he said, "Good form, Broseph." And I knew from that moment on that it wasn't going to be good. You know, just it was going to be bad. Bad. Good form. Anybody that uses the word Broseph, always suspect. You cannot trust anybody that uses the word Broseph. I'm, you know, just putting that out there. All right, what are we looking at right now? Oh, Twitter giveaway. We're giving away $1,000, $500 to 2 different people because I'm just that, you know, that rich. I am so rich that I could just give away money. I think my computer froze. No, we're back. Can somebody go check on the guy who's still adding to his ES short? Anybody in the chat? Can you find that guy? We need to find him. Is there anybody out there that can help find that guy? Because he said he's still adding to his ES short, and it might not be good. I feel bad. I'm worried for him. I'm worried. I think he might have left the stream adding to his ES short. And that was down when the ES was here at the 30s. So, I mean, the worst kind of worst is, hey, you know the old saying, you don't lose until you sell or till you cover. You know what I mean? Like, it's not a losing trade until you cover. You know, like you could just hold it and never cover and you don't lose. So, I mean, it's a bulletproof strategy. You just keep shorting and just keep shorting. Whatever, you know, just keep going short. Just keep going short. Well, there's my target. The fucking 19s got hit after I got stopped out here at the 89s in the eval. That was some fucking bullshit right there. But luckily, we're green on the day. Rips will tell you that I trade multiple accounts. But hey, is there anybody out there that can explain to me how is it possible that I am green on 20 accounts? Right? So if I have 20 accounts and I can only trade 20 accounts with Apex funded, how does that work? How is it possible that I trade 2 accounts? Does anybody... I might not be the smartest person, but I would love to understand the math behind the idea of trading 2 accounts. I would just love to understand that idea. If anybody can help me, I would very much appreciate it because I'm trying to figure out how fucking retarded Rips is. Because the fact that he even sits there and tells people, oh, the reason that Patrick makes money is because he trades multiple accounts. Oh, that's how. So I've been green I've got 53 days of trading in these accounts. So how did I blow up? How did I blow up those accounts? I was trading those 11 accounts there for how long now? You know, come on. Oh, God. How did he do it? How did he do it? Guys, we got to find this fucking guy who's adding to his shorts. Where is he? We need to find him. We got to find him right now. Somebody help me. I feel bad. We got to ask him. Are you still alive? Just tell us. Are you still alive? Are you still here? Oh, Lord. All right. NASDAQ, did it go? Did it finally go? God, it went up to the almost to the pivot point. I told you it was we were gonna do it. Hey, at least I don't delete my YouTube channel. You know, at least I don't have to delete my YouTube channel. That's all that matters here. Because unlike ICT, I keep my word, and I would have deleted my YouTube channel if it wouldn't have broke out there. You know, I would have 100%. Don't think I won't. Say I won't. All right, so I just put up a post here on Twitter. Go leave a comment, and I'll pick 2 winners to give $500 to. Leave a comment. Let people know we the best. We the best. We the best. Every day, we the best. All right, so the NASDAQ pushed up here 320s. If you guys have not seen the funniest video on the internet today, well, get ready. It gets better. Every day gets better.
And living so
we got some good stuff here. We showed some of it earlier, but it gets better. And no, I did not make this video.
bragging that he has more money than Patrick could dream of.
Meanwhile, Patrick has turned this feud into a comedy roast.
We already saw
He
this part.
casually admits to his own past. It's like, okay, Rips, you're innocent? Cool. Show us the court records. You've got trading expertise? Great. Show us your credentials. If you're going to claim to be targeted like Todd and Julie Chrisley, at least let Nanny Faye do the talking. She's the only one we still trust. So here's the big question. Who's telling the truth? Honestly, it doesn't even matter. Because at this point, the feud is more entertaining than anything on reality TV. Like, I'm not even trading anymore. I'm just watching this drama unfold. But hey, if this keeps going, I have a pitch for Bravo. The real prop traders of YouTube, coming soon.
Patrick Wieland was on the trading ride of his life this Monday, going short on all his grouped Apex accounts, when Tradovate decided to lock him out. Emotions were running high.
It's like TMZ.
Practically
The NASDAQ going to the pivot point.
One moment he's shouting, "I'm up $200,000." Like a game show contestant who just won a car, and the next he's panicking because he can't close out his trades. Every desperate attempt to click, tap, or reset is met with a smug, "Nope, sorry, you've reached your API limit," as if the universe is whispering, "Let's just keep you stranded in trading purgatory a bit longer." He's flinging out salty language, calling himself daddy. Okay? And insisting
I'm
this is
daddy!
the trade of his life. All while essentially trapped by a fancy calculator.
I mean, come on, Tradovate. It's 2024. Freezing at a crucial moment is what my old college laptop used to do, not a professional trading platform trusted with real money. Eventually, though, Patrick manages to exit the trade and walk away with $150,000 in his Apex PA accounts. A well-deserved congratulations to Patrick for capitalizing on a tech glitch and transforming it into his standout trade. Talk about making lemonade from lemons.
How do you think he will use that money?
Oh, I've heard things.
Welcome to the Thunderdome.
I don't know what that means.
Patrick
What does that
Wieland's
mean?
Latest venture into the high-stakes
What
world
does that
of trading,
mean? I don't understand.
Content creation,
What does that
and
mean?
unapologetic flexing.
What'd you
His
hear?
$150,000 warehouse renovation in sunny South Florida.
It was
is more than just a
$200,000, by the
fancy man
way.
cave. It's a state-of-the-art gladiator arena for traders. With a loft, a cutting-edge trading floor, a podcast studio, and even an air conditioning system so powerful he could house polar bears. This space is where big dreams meet even bigger egos.
Picture it. Traders flown in on Patrick's dime to battle head-to-head in live stream competitions.
NASDAQ's
The
going
ultimate
higher,
prize,
by the way.
bragging
Just letting you
rights,
know.
A spot on the legendary trading wall, and maybe a signed photo of Patrick
I
leaning
don't
on
even
his
look
reserve.
like that.
And let's not forget the side commentary when Patrick inevitably invites ICT Trader to the fray. Will ICT's meticulously overanalyzed trading system hold up under the pressure of real-time trading?
No way.
Ultimately, Patrick's grand vision is shaping up to look like a high-stakes backroom cockfight for traders. Minus the feathers, of course. Glowing screens, sweaty palms, and the hum of cooling fans as traders battle it out to prove who reigns supreme on the trading floor. But if the markets fail to deliver a true alpha, maybe we can convince Patrick to install an octagon for a final showdown. Imagine the live stream. Traders exchanging charts and mouse clicks for gloves and grappling. Who needs Fibonacci retracements when you've got a rear naked chokehold?
In the end, Patrick's new warehouse isn't just a space, it's a statement. A home for big dreams, big personalities, and even bigger ambitions. Whether it's trading competitions, content creation, or community events, he's building a place that screams growth, grit, and a whole lot of fun. So strap in, hit the live stream notification bell, and get ready for what promises to be Patrick Wieland's most audacious chapter yet. And in true gladiator style, let me ask, are you not entertained?
And that's all for this episode. Thank you for watching Top Stories with Futures for Our Future. Please like,
That's
share,
pretty,
and
I mean,
subscribe.
it's pretty hilarious. I gotta admit, it is pretty fucking hilarious. Oh, man. I mean, I will say the AI definitely likes me. You know, whoever made that video definitely told the AI to say nice things about me. The funny part is, I swear to God, I have nothing to do with this channel. I just found it. It's been around for a while, so I mean, I really have no fucking idea. They were talking about Nutty Bar 2 weeks ago, so they put out this video a couple weeks ago. They're talking about Nutty Bar. So I mean, look at Nutty Bar. Why does he look like that for? Nutty Bar.
Side of the story.
Because I think what you do for the most part is actually valuable, but you have this one glaring big problem that's going to cause you lots of issues. And it's your inability to be unbiased when it comes to Apex. I'm saying this from someone that even says, like, some of the things that Apex has done and is doing and everything, I don't agree with it either. I don't like it either. But it doesn't make them a scam. Okay? It means that they're changing the rules. We can disagree and we can agree that the rules are not good for the trader, or that
Nutty Bar. I love that guy. I do love Nutty Bar. Well, I don't know why he's so hairy. Does he? I don't think he had. Does he have that much facial hair? Does Nutty Bar have that much facial hair normally?
it's kind of where they're still new, but feel like they're doing things the right way, so I'm giving them a chance. I'm using them. I've gotten 2 payouts from them now.
Nutty Bar is up today.
Wieland said he loves me. Oh, we love Patrick. What is he? By the way, I didn't even confirm. When is the new, what are they calling it? The streamer awards? The trading awards? I don't even know.
We're giving out the awards tomorrow on Friday, actually. Friday for the trading awards.
There's Patrick Wieland. Exactly. Tell me, Patrick, they did me dirty. I'm telling you, I need a signed petition. I need to start a petition.
Dude.
I need my AI character needs to be redone. What am I gonna say? Because I'm not even that hairy. Look at me.
Alpine Trader. Why is Nutty Bar so hairy AI?
Oh, you did me dirty. I'm over here just catching strays.
He's not even hairy. Why did the AI make him so hairy?
And they go and do me like that. It's unfortunate. You forgot to tell. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys the AI channel. Hang on.
Oh man. All right. What happened? We got to find this guy who was adding to his short. Where did he go? I feel bad. I feel bad. Well, I mean, the one nice thing is everybody said that all the people were short, and well, it went up. Alpine Trader, are you gonna commit to coming to the warehouse for like a couple days? Come trading in the new warehouse? Come on, it'd be sick. We got the simulator in there. I'll let you drive one of the Lambos around. Come on. Come on. Sun Trader says you're blocked on Twitter. Well, you probably said something stupid. I want to get Nutty Bar and Alpine Trader to the warehouse. Who else should we invite to the warehouse? I think Nutty Bar and Alpine Trader would be a good time. I don't think Rips is gonna come. I don't think Rips is gonna come to the warehouse. I don't know. Maybe. I don't think so. I don't think he's coming. I don't think he's coming to the warehouse. Oh, man. I posted another video yesterday on Twitter of what's been going on at the warehouse. If you haven't seen it, come check it out. What's it all about? Check it out. The best part is next year, I mean, even now, no one's really doing what I do, but the fact that like none of my competition is going to be able to handle this.
Our new kind of podcast interview room. We'll have couches in here, maybe a conference table, video wall over there. So a massive wall of TVs and video stuff. We got our kitchen getting all done in here. And then this is the actual trading floor. We got the ceiling going in. We got plugs everywhere. It's gonna be sick. Gonna be real.
Yeah.
Plugs
I just
everywhere.
ordered a bunch of monitors. I got a bunch of desks. I got to build out. It's gonna be a lot of fucking work. But luckily, I just hired a personal assistant as well. So I'm looking forward to having somebody who can kind of handle everything that I don't want to handle, I guess. That's the purpose of a personal assistant, right? How many desks? I'm gonna put like 6 in there to start. My goal is to do 10, but I don't know. I feel like 10 might be too many. Ten might be too many, but we'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna put like 6 in there and kind of just see how like big it is. One Swede dude, you'll be my bodyguard? All right, how big are you? Are you like a big 7 foot tall Swedish dude? Then I might hire you. But if you're just a normal looking dude, I might not hire you. Invite Jay from Top Step. I highly doubt anyone at Top Step will accept an invitation to the warehouse. Hadn't you hired an assistant already? No, I just hired an assistant. Well, I already had a marketing person. I have like a marketing manager, but I need like a personal assistant to like do everything that I don't want to do. I'm gonna put 6 in there and see how it feels. Oh, AJ, why are you making it sexual, bro? Why are you making it sexual, you little weirdo? All right, so hey, look, NASDAQ pushed up through the pivot point, up there to the 350s, doing exactly what we said it would do. We had our 15-minute range breakout. Get rid of the VWAP and all that here for a second. Just look at this pure candlestick action, right? Here's your, where's it at? 15-minute candle. Boom. Right there. There's your 15-minute candle, opening range breakout. This is textbook Patrick Wieland type of setup here. And, well, there you go. The 15-minute range turning into support. We push up here for a nice little 50-point move to the upside. And, well, I don't want to tell you, that I told you so, but I fucking feel like I told you so. Day trade with Jay-Z. Talk to Daryl and ask him why you can't use Apex. I'll call Daryl right now after this. Hey, Daryl, it's Patrick. So I got this guy in my chat. Day trade with Jay-Z. Why can't he use it anymore? Why can't he use it anymore? Oh, I always love when this happens. When people that tag Top Step, but also tag me. Edward, MVP, baby. Where's Edward at? Look at Edward. Little cutie pie. Thanks, Edward, for the shout out. Always great to get some love for the people out there. Textbook, Patrick Wieland setup in his Express funded account up there to the pivot point. Congratulations. Congratulations. Oh, it's on the YM as well. He traded the YM. That's pretty cool. Congratulations to Edward. Hey, anytime you can tag me on Twitter, I'll repost your stuff because, I do love a good retagging. All right, let's pick some winners here. Jason's up $11,000. He don't need a win. I'm just kidding. I'm going to close my eyes. And wherever we stop at, that's who's going to be the winner. I need more likes on the stream, by the way. But let's see. Okay. Whoop. Stopping and looking. John Edwards. Hunting. Fishing. We got a winner. Look at him. That guy's shredded. Gonna send John Edwards $500. That's what I love to see. A good old American boy right there. Good old American boy. Hell yeah, baby. Fishing, hunting, and fucking. I mean, fit and real estate. That's America, baby. America. Fuck yeah. Suck on my America. Fuck yeah. That's gotta be one of the best movies ever. Fucking Team America. Like, whenever I go to other countries, I always put that movie on just to, like, show people. And show them, like, hey, this is America. Like the little cartoons, you know? Like, America! Fuck yeah! And they're all so confused because they're like, wait, what? This is America? I'm like, yeah, it's America, man. You never seen America before? That's how we do it. Everywhere we go, we wear fucking, you know, Evel Knievel looking outfits. We're ready to go. You know, it's fucking, it is. America! America! Fuck yeah! America! Fuck yeah! What you gonna do when we come for you? America! It's the dream that we all share. It's the whole parts of my love. What's funny is I actually made a video one time of this guy who was like Middle Eastern, and I was trolling him because I made a video and it was a cutout. I took a video. I took America Fuck Yeah music video, and I took a cutout of his face and I put it on one of the terrorists, and then I made a video, and everybody said it was racist, but I said it's a joke. It's not racist. It's a cartoon. You know, I can't help it that it's a cartoon. I didn't write the cartoon, but Dirk. America. Fuck. Oh yeah, we got one more winner here, by the way. One more winner. We're gonna send $500 to my boy over there. We just got a message for his PayPal address. John Edwards, Mr. Fucking. I work out all. Look at this guy. He's fucking in his kayak, just living, man. I'm jealous. Look at that guy. He's fucking. Look at them traps. Look at the traps on that guy. He's fucking. That guy gonna be eating. I guarantee I'm gonna give him $500 and he's gonna go out and buy fucking 500 pounds of beef. Hell yeah, baby. John, what are you gonna do with the $500? John, what do you got? Are you in the chat? Oh, by the way, I got nothing against the Middle East. By the way, don't even try to start some shit and be like Patrick's racist. It's a joke, okay? The guy that was talking shit about me before, he looked like one of the terrorists. I can't help it. If you're gonna talk shit about Patrick, I'm gonna come at you, all right? And it might not be fucking, politically correct, but like that's just how it is. You want to talk shit, you're gonna get shit. I got nothing against the Middle East. Well, some parts of the Middle East, but in general, hey, at the end of every stream, what do I say? At the end of every single stream, what do I say on the stream? Every time, every day, I say the same thing. Beef. Lots of beef. All right, Jonathan Edwards, he's getting some beef. Friends and family, $500. Who else is doing this? Who else is giving away $500? Live on YouTube. We got one more winner to come. We got one more. Look at that. John even said he's going to buy some beef. I could just tell he wasn't some fucking vegan little bullshit bitch. I could just tell. You could tell the guy fucking eats beef. All right, so the first winner, we're happy that we were able to supply 1 month of beef protein for our friend John Edwards here. Congratulations to John Edwards for that awesome win there. $500 for more. Someone wrote, ICT suck my nuts. Hey, don't say that. Don't say that. All right, we got to pick the next winner here. Next winner. I feel bad because sometimes my followers do get, it's one thing for me to say suck my nuts, but it's like if everybody says suck my nuts, and that's kind of, it gets a little little sticky. Just because I talk shit about people, don't make that lead you to talk shit. Because unless you do the research, only talk shit after you do research. That's the key here. Just if you're gonna talk shit, Google people's name, find some shit, and then talk shit. But don't just talk shit. Unless you can find all the reviews about a company saying that it's a scam, don't talk shit. Wait until you can figure it out and then talk shit, because it's a lot better when you actually have the reviews to talk shit on. All right, so here we go. Closing my eyes. I swear to God, I'm not looking. I swear I'm not looking at this. So I'm going to send a scroll up, down. Are we all the way at the top? Are we all the way at the bottom? I don't even fucking know, man. Who's it? Are you guys seeing your name on the screen right now? Oh, God. And I'm going to 1, 2, and 3. Wait. Jason, I can't give Jason $500. He just made 11,000 today. It's not fair. Jason, no. Didn't even move? It didn't even move? Fuck. All right. I'm going to start all the way at the top. All right. We're all the way at the top now. I'm going to scroll all the way down. You ready? Here we go. Scrolling, 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 scrolling. Scrolling, 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 scrolling. And now we look. Ether, we the best. We the best. Ether, Slim 7. This person looks like they might be a terrorist. Oh, they got football. We're good. We got football on the stream. We're good to go. Get rich, get off grid. Uh-oh. I get better when it gets harder. What's this guy talking about? What's this guy talking about? I'm climbing a ladder. You stuck in the frame. Get rich, get off grid. Lead the way. I don't know, man. I'm kind of worried. I don't want to be giving people money that they're going to do something crazy with. I don't know, man. I'm a little worried, but I guess I got to give him the money either way. So I'm going to send him a message here to get his PayPal address. Just hope I'm not funding any illegal activities. I just hope I'm not funding any illegal activities. Oh, God, not the illegal activities. I'm going to get arrested one day. They're like, Patrick, you sent $500 to a terrorist organization. How do you explain this? And I'm like, well, it was a funny story, actually. Funny story, because I was on the internet and this guy, he left a comment on my post. And then, I sent him the 500. This is proof right here, people. I have no idea. I have no idea where this money is going. I have no idea, all right? I have no idea what's happening. I have no idea where this money is going, but you win. Just putting it out there. I'm putting proof. But you win from YouTube. So there we go. Matt Powers, don't do anything crazy with your money, bro. Just relax. Don't go climbing any ladders or getting hard or doing anything weird. All right, there's $500. Promise me that you won't do anything crazy. Promise me you won't do anything crazy with that $500. Please. Oh, man. All right, so there it is. Look, another bull flag set up. I'm still worried about the guy that said he was adding to his shorts. Where did he go? Where did he go? I don't know why it says what? Why does it say Wednesday 2024? What? Why not? Why would it not say that? What the fuck is Wednesday 18 December 24 on your screen? That's the day that it is? What's this guy? This guy in the chat is tripping balls. Alchemist, do I like the AI images? I do like your AI images. Trying to butter me up to get some money, you little class. You're a little brown noser. You little brown noser. Trying to be the teacher's pet over here, making AI images. I'll give you some love for him. I don't know, which one's cooler? This one, that's kind of like, yeah, it's kind of cool. Damn, I need a neck tat. If you think I'd be cool if I had a neck tat? It's me. This one looks more like me. I'm a little thicker though. You know, thicker in certain places. When you work up, tell the AI to make me thicker in certain places. You know, really, you gotta accentuate my curves. Accentuate. Patrick, is the Culture Room still going? Culture Room Club still going in Florida? I've never heard of the Culture Room Club. I don't know if you're trying to bait me into something or not, but I have no idea what you're talking about. Come on, Santa Claus. All I want is $50 for a trading combine. You already look like a criminal. I am a criminal. I'm a convicted felon. No, I'm not actually. But I got arrested for stealing. I got Grand Theft Auto charges for stealing my own truck. You can actually Google it. It's out there. Yes, it's possible. You can actually get arrested for stealing your own vehicle. I know, it sounds crazy, but I did. I am literally like, I've done it. I went to jail for stealing my own fucking vehicle. Did they drop the charges? Yes, they dropped the charges down to a trespassing charge. And by the way, just because your charges are dismissed or dropped does not make you innocent, by the way. Just putting that out there for anybody that wants to argue different. Just because your charges are dropped does not mean you're innocent. Okay, just putting that out there. You know, like I said, you know, I was charged with Grand Theft Auto. Am I innocent? No, because I did steal my own truck. I did steal my own truck, so I can't claim that I'm innocent. So did you charge yourself for stealing your own vehicle? No, the state did. The state Florida. Was the car towed? Yeah, so basically my truck was towed. I went to the tow truck yard. I wanted my truck back. Nobody was at the tow truck yard. It was literally just a field. Like, it was just a field. Like, I found where my truck was because I had a tracker on it. And it was just a field that had a very, like, shitty chain link fence around it. So I went there. I waited for, like, a fucking hour. Nobody came. I called the guy. He's like, I'm on my way, whatever. I'm like, fuck it. So I literally just unbolted the gate. There's like a gate. And I just unbolted it, right? Like with my bare hands, by the way. Like I literally just like took the bolts out. I pulled my truck out. The reason that I got caught is because I literally was putting the gate back. I put the fence back the same way that I found it, right? So I put it back. I put it all, tightened it back up. And as I'm fixing the fence, that's when the tow truck company pulled up. So, word of the wise, if you're going to steal your own vehicle from a tow truck yard, don't waste your time fixing the fence. Do it quick. I know, I'm just a good person, man. I'm a good person, man, okay? The shitty part is, the tow truck guy, when the tow truck driver pulled up, I told him, I was like, hey, man, I was like, I apologize. I clearly made a bad decision here. Like, I should have just waited. I got impatient, and I told him, I was like, I apologize. I will pay you for the fee. I will pay you an extra, $500 or whatever, just to basically make everything fair, and we'll call it a day. The tow truck driver actually agreed with me. He was fine. But the problem is the fucking cops, the sheriffs pulled up and like they wanted to arrest somebody. They were excited. Like they fucking pulled up, guns pulled out. Like they were ready to get somebody. And even the tow truck driver said, they're like, well, we're not pressing charges. but the state of Florida still arrested me because, I basically got caught stealing my own fucking truck. So, and then the second time I got arrested was because somebody basically accused me of jumping on the hood of their car. So very simply, you can Google this as well. I don't have to seal my documents or change my name. And like I said before, like, I would never change my name. Like, even if I got arrested for the most insane shit ever, which I'm not, like, I don't have any reason to get arrested for the most insane shit ever, but like, either way, I'm not changing my name. Like, I never would. I don't care. I'll either fucking go to jail for the rest of my life with that name, or I'll fucking, just go live in the woods. But I would never change my name because I'm proud of my name. I built my name to what it is. And like, I have nothing to hide. I'm not, I don't need to change my name to hide my past. So just putting that out there. But I did get arrested for basically road rage. So this guy, he's in a Tesla. It's always the fucking Tesla drivers. The Tesla driver is riding my ass, like really just fucking riding my ass. And I'm talking about my car, not my actual ass, you weirdos. So the Tesla driver is like right behind me. He's right on my ass, and I brake check him, because I'm like, bro, what the fuck? So then he goes around me, pulls up around me, like goes around me, and then gets in front of me and brake checks me. But like, he really like brake checks me fucking hard. So almost causes an accident. And then we pull up to a stoplight, and he starts like talking shit. He's fucking blah, 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 blah. So I'm an idiot. I'll admit it. I made a bad choice. I got out of the car, which I don't know why. I just was like, the guy was talking, and I got out of the car, and I was like, what the fuck you gonna do? The fuck? And I said, like, what the fuck you gonna do? And then the best part is the guy then hits me with his car. He literally runs into me. My body like fucking bounces off the side of his car and dents the side of his car because he fucking hit me with his car. And by the way, there is no Tesla video of this happening, by the way, So somehow, magically, this whole incident was corrupted. The video file was corrupted, by the way. I talked to multiple people that have Teslas, and nobody said this ever happens. But supposedly, the video of me jumping on the hood of the car wasn't, it doesn't exist. So basically that all happened. The guy took off. He called the cops later on. I was already gone. So at that point, I just fucking went on my day. And then later on, I get arrested for a fucking charge that I had no idea about, which was a felony fucking criminal mischief. So in Florida, if you do damage to property over $1,000, it's classified as criminal mischief, which can be a felony over $1,000. So there was like $1,500 worth of damage to his car, which I paid for, by the way. All right, so I had to pay for that. And then I basically had to take a plea. I had to literally take a fucking plea because it's just like, I'm not going to go to court and waste all this fucking time and risk the idea of getting charged with a felony. So I ended up doing 9 months of probation, and did my community service, got done with it, and it's all there for anybody that wants to check it out. So, but yeah, that was fun. Like I said, it definitely, like, I'm not going to say I was in the right by any means. I made a bad choice. Like, I should never have gotten out of the car. It was stupid. It was dumb. I don't know why I got out of the car. The guy was just like screaming and yelling, and I got out of the car because I thought like, oh, you want to fight, or whatever. But I made a bad choice, and I had to pay the price. All right, NASDAQ pulling right back. The chop is real. It's FOMC day, both the ES and the NASDAQ. Hopefully our short friend is still holding his short that he's been adding to all morning, because maybe it's going to pull back and he might be in the green again. Right now it's 11:17 in the morning, and I've already said enough things on the internet to give people enough content to make videos about me for the next couple years. So there it is. Look at this thing, really dumping right now. NASDAQ right back into the 15-minute range. I'm happy with that. I'm going to walk away. I'm going to take my profit, and I'll be back here tomorrow morning for Thirsty Thursdays. That's right. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. I will see you tomorrow morning for Thirsty Thursdays. We're almost there. Tomorrow, we're giving away the laptop. Laptop is getting sent out to a subscriber, and another couple $1,000s to give away as well. So we've already given away, I think, like $8,000 this week. So I don't know anybody else is doing this right now. It's Christmas time. I'm trying to give back to the subscribers that support me. You guys are the reason I'm here. So again, big thank you for all your support. I'll see you tomorrow morning for the little Thirsty Thursdays. And yeah, peace to the Middle East. Love you. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. All right, just keep that in mind. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Just because your shirt says just do it, don't mean you got to do it. All right? All right. Peace to the Middle East.